Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix this error in Minecraft connection lost. You are sending too many packets back to serverless. This is a connection problem. It's mainly because of your Wi-Fi, so make sure you have a good internet and a good internet connection. So I will show you how to maybe boost your internet. Go here in the tabs here and then close any other apps that are running in the background and are using your internet without knowing. Let's say I have this one, Teams, quit Teams, and quit any app that you are not using. And if you can also search here for the task manager. Let's look for it. And as you can see, we see here how many who apps what app is using your internet. You can close them if you don't need them, and then just to make sure, you can just click here and then end task for Minecraft and then reopen it. Maybe this will solve your problem. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.